The first thing that I got is coffee. I love coffee so much. Marshalls and like TJ Maxx and places like that always have like the seasonal coffee from like various brands, and my favorite coffee to get from there is Joffrey's, and then this one I got for $7.99. This is a caramel apple and cinnamon blend, so they had so many different kinds, but I ended up going with this one because I already have just like regular non-flavored black coffee in my house, and you know, this just looked really fun. I also got some lashes. I think I already mentioned this, but I want to start trying to look a little bit more put together and just try a little bit harder with my appearance. And I feel like for some reason I feel like if I wear lashes I would just look put together already, because mascara is what like makes me look awake. So I was like, oh well, if I wear fake lashes maybe that would make me look like even more awake. I think these are like the ones that go underneath your lash line. Supposedly they're seamless and they last up to 6 days. I mean, if I could just do them like once a week or like even twice a month, that would be good for me. I wouldn't have to like reapply them every single day. That would be even better. All right, so I just got home from work and I received a package from Amazon. By the way, yesterday we went to IKEA and we finally got a table for our kitchen and I love it. I got some skincare, that's why I want to show it. I have very oily skin. I'm always looking for things that might help my skin even the slightest. I'm always trying to look for products that are gonna help me, skincare, makeup. And I came across this line on Amazon by the brand Skin Food. So I actually have heard of this brand before, and I have seen it like on TJ Maxx and Marshalls before. I didn't know they sold it on Amazon. So I bought 3 things from them. I got like a makeup item and then I got 2 skincare products. They had 3 skincare products like in this line that went with these together, but I only got 2 of them because the third one was a moisturizer and I already have like an oil controlling moisturizer. Let me just show the powder first. It's like a little cute little peach design in the front, and they also had the loose powder, but I ended up going with this one because I want something to keep in my purse so I can just blot throughout the day, and this had really good reviews. Ooh, smells like peach. I'm not gonna use this right now because my skin's actually not that greasy right now, surprisingly, but it smells really good and it has a little puff. And then I went ahead and got these 2 skincare products. Now the reviews for these were really good. Everybody was saying that it helped them so much with their oily skin. So the first, did I mention that this is a Korean skincare brand? This is a Korean skincare brand, Skin Food. I got a toner. Look at this bottle. It's so cute. This will look really nice like on a vanity, on your bathroom counter. It's super cute. This is a peach sake toner pore refining. It says a refreshing toner that eliminates shine from enlarged pores and excessive sebum production, which is exactly what I need because I have a very oily T-zone and I have very large pores on my T-zone. It has a very strong, not very strong, but it definitely has like a peach scent to it. But honestly, I don't mind it. I just can't wait till I display this somewhere. It's so beautiful. I can't. Look at this. I can't get over how cute this is. Okay. And then the next thing that I got is a serum. So, okay, let me just open it. Which also comes in such a cute frosted bottle. This is again, a pore refining serum. Same thing as this, except this is a serum and this is a toner. Let me see if this has a smell to it. I cannot for the life of me figure out how to open this. I've been trying to open it for the last 5 minutes. As I try to like open it and I keep turning it, the actual pump from the inside is turning and like I can like see product on the side. Okay, I can't open this. So once I figure out how to open this, I guess I'll start using it. That is what I got on Amazon. This is a table that we ended up getting. We both loved it as soon as we saw it. The one that they had on display was all black, and then they had like this one and an all white one. And what I liked about this table was that we were able to customize like this like top part and the bottom part. So if I wanted like a black top maybe and a white bottom, we could have done that. Technically this is a meeting table, that's what like the description was saying, but we were looking for something similar to this. We wanted like a very tall table because we want to get like bar stools, And what I really, really love about this table is that this is metal and not wood, which a lot of the tables that we saw previously were all wood and they just felt flimsy and I didn't like it. So I really, really love that this is like metal, and this top part is wood, but it just feels like such good quality. I got this little cute thing from Home Goods. After IKEA, we went to Home Goods and I ended up picking this up, and we also got coasters. And then they had a Bath and Body, they had like the $12 Bath and Body sale going on over the weekend, so we picked out some candles. September 22nd. It's Thursday. I'm on my way to Target and I really wanted to go thrifting today. I've been wanting to go for the past couple of weeks now, but I haven't been able to go, so I think I'm going today. I actually had to, well, I didn't have to leave my apartment, but my cabinets are getting painted. I didn't want to like make him feel like I was like rushing him or anything, so I left and I didn't finish doing my makeup, which honestly I'm wearing a mask right now, so it doesn't really matter to me like how my makeup ends up looking. I literally have paint in my hair from when I tried painting my room last week. Painting is hard. It is not fun. I thought it was like, you know, like a little fun project, but it's not. It's tough work. Oh god, it looks like dandruff. I saw it's paint though. I might stop by for a sandwich from McDonald's, a breakfast sandwich, or a bagel and cream cheese. This is the powder that I bought on Amazon. I really like it. Today is really cool in Chicago. Like the weather yesterday was very hot and very humid, and then today it actually feels like fall. So I'm really excited that I was able to wear my sweater today. Technically this isn't lip balm, it's Aquaphor, but I use it as that because I love Aquaphor for my lips. Okay, that is it. I look a little bit more put together, I think. We'll see where the day takes me today. Okay, so I'm getting ready, but I just wanted to show you guys this lip combo that I have on. I'm trying to try a little harder to put myself together just on regular days, be a little bit more creative with what I wear and a little bit more creative with both my style and like my makeup. I never wear lipstick. My go-to makeup product is mascara and blush, but honestly this like the past 3 years wearing blush doesn't even matter anymore because I have been wearing my mask everywhere I go. But now that everything's going back to normal, I want to start just feeling better about myself. I am so self-conscious about everything. I don't want to think like that anymore. Like I just want to feel pretty, you know, and not saying that I have to wear like makeup and not saying that I have to dress a certain way to feel pretty, but I need to get myself out of my comfort zone, put myself out there. And even though wearing lipstick makes me feel a little bit self-conscious because it's something that I don't wear like ever, it's definitely something that does make me feel, you know, pretty. That's why I am trying to wear it a little bit more. But yeah, I just want to share my lip combo. I have a lot of lipsticks and a lot of lip liners and a lot of lip glosses because every time I buy them I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna wear this, and I never do. I am going to start wearing everything, hopefully, maybe. I am wearing this lip liner. This is by the brand Steve Laurent. It's in the shade Vogue, and I got this lip liner in a BoxyCharm like 3 years ago, so I don't even know, it probably is expired by now. And then the lips, I'm wearing a lip stain right now. The lip stain that I'm wearing is this one, and I got this one on Amazon. It's super tiny. It came in a pack of 4, and I really like this because this actually stays on your lips for a very, very, very long time. Sometimes lip stains just kind of wear off after a couple of hours, but this one actually stays a very long time. I actually have so many lip stains. I might do like a lip stain collection in the future after I try them, because I have not tried most of them, so after I try them I will. These are the shades, 2 more orangey tones and then 2 more red tones. This one, like the lightest one, is my favorite one because this is the one that I wear the most. Like it looks orange on the actual tube, but when you put it on the lips it just looks like your lips but better. Like my lips, if they were a little bit more of a pinky tone. I actually do wear this one. There's a little bit less of product in there. Oh look, it says cheek and lip stain, so I guess you could use this as blush too. I don't know, I've never used it on my cheeks before. But the shade that I really like is in the shade Apple 01. The shade that I'm wearing right now is in the shade Strawberry 02. Okay, my camera's about to die, but I just finished cleaning my brushes. The little balm thing did a pretty good job at getting off all the product that has been caked on there for months now. I cleaned them pretty quickly. Usually I feel like it takes me a little longer to do it if I used my Dove, but again, it's really convenient that it comes in a little tin where I can just swivel it around. Alright, I'm making no sense here, but basically what I'm trying to say is that I bought these industrial bars on Amazon for my jeans, like to have more storage, and I'm just building them here. I have to buy the boards separately and put them in between, so here I'm just getting that ready for when I buy the boards, is what I'm trying to say. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna have for dinner. I was gonna order something, but this has been in my freezer for a while, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make this. It's vegan ravioli. The instructions are super simple. I literally just have to throw these in boiling water, not even thaw them, let them cook for about 8 minutes, and then take them out. So this is the marinara that I'm gonna be using. It's just what we had open in the fridge right now, so this is what I'm gonna use. Here's the pasta. I overfilled it like a dummy. By itself, it doesn't really taste like anything. It has like a very grainy texture to it, kind of like quinoa. It doesn't taste bad though. Yeah, the pasta is good. It just tastes like regular pasta. It looks like real ground beef, but it tastes like quinoa.